Creme de la creme. How are you, crumbs? Crumbs. Hey, I put this video you're gonna see here, following this your little me spieling, is from two years ago. Okay, 2 years ago, I think. 2020. Yeah, it was 2 years ago because the anniversary today is the last day of April in 23. So my dad passed away on the 19th of April of 21. And so then I went on a little bit of a trip, and ended up all over the western half of the United States, which is whatever. It was good, but I found these videos. I finally got my computer hooked up. I got Starlink, which is awesome. And so I just put this together. It's a video of a dam that I built with my buddies over in Wausau, Wisconsin. Wausau. And anyways, here it is. Well, I hope you enjoy it and watch it till the end. I just am talking and doing my thing. So, all right, we'll see you later. Enjoy the video. So here I am. 1993, I think. Me and my buddy Oscar were up here. We built all the ironworks for this dam. I'm in Minot, North Dakota. Minot's that way. This is the Souris River. It used to be just a river, now it's a dam and a lake, Lake Darling. We built all the ironworks back in Wisconsin. The cable rollers. I just noticed I can't fly here because I might disrupt a bird. But I was going to fly this and see if I could get some pictures of that there, the workings of the dam, because I'm proud of what I did back then and what we did back in Wisconsin. It was for the Army Corps engine. Okay. So yeah, back to what I was saying. This is the dam that Oscar and I built. We didn't build it. Industrial Builders was the contractor out of North Dakota. They hated us because we didn't take breaks. And it was a cold, miserable spring when we installed these gates. We didn't install them, they installed them. We had to do some work on them to make them fit right. So I didn't travel all this way just to get told I can't. It says no trespassing, but I'll make it quick. I can't see that, I can't read. But anyways, we made these dams. We made the pipes. That's the workings of the dam. That's what raises and lowers it. So I'm just taking a little tour and having a little fun. Yeah, I worked down there. I worked up here. We had to come up and manually raise and lower these things to work on them. These are the coffers. If they wanted to work and stop the water, they lower that with a crane to stop the water flow to this particular dam gate. We did all the ironworks for in the backside. Boy, I'm excited to be here in a way. Only one is open. I can tell you that for certain. And actually, there's, I don't remember on which one, but I surely can find out. There's 5 gates, and I think there were 44 feet long, each of them by about 18 feet tall. It's just cool as shit. Come back 20 some years later and take a look. I like it. I think it's cool. So, yeah, oh my god, I even did that. I remember that. That sucked. Anyways. They're actually closed, and they're using a spillway to control it. These damn gates are closed. All of them. They're using those mechanisms there. There's a shaft and a valve, and the water's coming out between through this concrete. They're not even using the gates. They are for flood control. You remember back in the day, Minot, Fargo used to flood all the time. In the spring thaw cycle, this river, I do believe, flows south. Then it goes back across the state, and then it goes up into Fargo and that area, Grand Forks. It goes north. So then this is to control that spring thaw water and not have any more flooding up there in that neck of the woods, so to speak. Oh, and by the way, these gates are also, I don't know which one it is. Thought it was the center one. Excuse me. I think it was this one here that is electrified. In other words, it's got, no, I take it back. I think it was, I don't know if it was all of them, I don't remember that part, but they have like water heater coils in them, but on a huge scale, and they actually they heat the water, heat the gate so they can open and close it during the freeze thaw. So, pretty slick setup. Pretty slick. Nobody's getting on my shit yet, so. As long as I don't trespass too far, right? Yeah, I'll try to dig up some pictures for you too to look at when we were here. I wonder if I can walk down here without getting in any trouble. I'm gonna try. It says closed. Yeah, this whole downstream area is just full of rubble. If you were to see the pictures from before that, that is all stone all the way up to that corner. That whole basin. They just layered it with just boulders upon boulders to keep the erosion, if anything ever happened, to keep the erosion from going like that pelican or stork. Freaking pelican. standing there on rocks. So I can get down this far, it says. Area beyond this closed. So we do have farmers. So anyways, how far can I get in trouble? I don't know, we'll see. Can't fly my drone, I gotta get some kind of picture. Video. I know there's a viewing deck down there. We'll make it quick. Yep, there you can see the wires, the boxes on them. They're electrified. And by the way, I do understand I'm not gonna fly my drone even though I want to, because can you guys see it? It's just littered with birds, and that's why it says not to fly. I'll try not, that way I won't kill any or lose my drone in the water. That would suck. Alright, we'll get some other pictures from over yonder on the boat landing. You guys know what else is cool? About having a white F350 dually, white, Oxford white. It kind of looks like I'm a worker. It looks like I belong here, and nobody, I just noticed that because a couple people go by and it's like everybody up here's got anybody who's in the construction business has these white Fords, and so anyways, I'm gonna just pull in here and give you a little more tourist information, maybe. Take pride in your refuge. Pack your trash home. Well, we're gonna look at this because we're here. We can. Yeah, we can look at this, and I can edit. Oh, poor bunny got run over here. So from a perspective of and I like wildlife. Great blue heron lives here. Western grebes, terns, and we saw pelicans before, and ducks. And you can fish from here apparently. That's pretty cool. So is my Ford. We're putting a lot of miles on me and this Ford. Now we're gonna go to the boat landing on the other side. See what we can see. Many pike, walleye, or perch. Recommended meals per month. That's anywhere up here. And look at, that's kind of cool. Kids don't float. So this wasn't a lake before, and now it is. You gotta admire what they do, the Army Corps, to some degree. They're really, really hard to, I mean, they build shit to last forever. Hang on, I gotta do a longer thing. gates, as I was saying, they do shit they build stuff to last forever. And that being said, those gates, when we built them back in the shop, were built like brick shit houses, and we had to have ultrasound testing and the whole 9 yards, 100% weld penetration. It was a miserable, miserable, miserable job building those damn gates, the embeds. And I wish I had pictures of all that stuff, and I may find them. The embeds were just horrifically huge. And what I mean by embeds is where the big bolts go through that hold the dam where it pivots. That was really, really critical stuff. And I'm a good welder, and I failed a couple times and had to dig out my welds. Hey, look at, we get to see a big aeroplane up in the sky. So anyways, yeah, they build stuff to last. And the reason I also can say that is because back in the day, we built the same couple guys, we built all the lock and dam machinery for the Mississippi that open and close the gates. I don't remember, there's 20 or some sets of locks, and it was just a horrendous job, but we did it and it was awesome. I learned a lot of stuff doing this work for the Army Corps, so I had a lot of fun doing it. Probably took a few years off my life by breathing all that grease and smoke in, but whatever. I was young and foolish. Foolish! Yeah, young and foolish. Now we're going to go down to that other viewing point and we're going to check that out. So come with me. I think they ought to give Joe Biden some money to grade this road. Joe Biden ought to give the Army Corps. We'll see if I can see the dam from the dam site. You gotta make it nice to the public, then anything is acceptable. The government does. Make it into a tourist site, right? Come on, let me be able to see beyond the corner. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, I got an idea. I did bring another camera along. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Red-winged blackbird. Alright, so I'm going to set up my other camera and I'm going to walk down there and then I got a telephoto, I think, lens for it, and we'll get some pictures of the dam instead of flying. Hey, this would be cool. Alright, hang with me, because I'm still here. Just follow along, because it's cool. Remember, I welded all them dam gates. Ow, damn it. I mean, damn it. Damn it, Ray. Alright. Gotta get my stuff. Gotta get my gear.